What's up, guys? Today, we're rating Haitian foods. What are my credentials, you ask? I'm Haitian, so nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing. To start off, I'm putting no food in the F tier category because no Haitian food is bad. Am I right or am I right? Going to the E tier category, we have pitimi. Pitimi is not good. Imagine coming home after a long day of work and you got pitimi on the stove. Like, it's just not good. I don't care. Going on to the D tier category, we have zaboka, or how I like to say, zabelbok, if you know, you know. But zaboka, ugh, it's not good. I know you guys are gonna kill me in the comments. You guys are gonna kill me in the comments, but it's just not good. I don't care. The texture, the taste, it doesn't even taste like anything. Like, I don't care. Zaboka, no. D tier. Also on the D tier category, we have blé. Blé? Are you serious right now? Imagine coming home from a long day and you got blé on the stove. Ugh. I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep starving. No. All right, now we're going into C tier. This is where the Haitian food starts to get not that bad, you know? First up, we have lambi. The taste is there, but the texture, I'm chewing for too long. You know what I'm saying? Like, lambi. Also in the C tier category, we have lalo. I know y'all are gonna kill me in the comments for this too. Lalo is good, but you know what I'm saying? Like, not too much. Like, we don't eat lalo that much. Like, it's good, but it's not here. It's not here, but it's here. It's lalo. You know what I'm saying? With some rice, like, yeah. You know, not too much on the lalo, but not too little either. Next thing we have in the C tier is labui. I like labui. It's pretty good. I'm never craving it though. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I come home from a long day and I see labui on the stove, I'm gonna be like, thank you. I was pretty hungry, you know. Thank you for the labui. But like, I'm never like, yes, labui. It's not here. It's not here. It's here. It's labui. Especially if you dump a whole bunch of sugar in there. Ooh, good. But never that good. That's it for this video. Let me know if you guys want the B tier, A tier, and S tier. Thank you for watching.